Adding the Fortnite item shop to your Discord server has become quite straightforward. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll need to incorporate a Discord bot into your server. While this may seem daunting at first, there are plenty of resources available online, including tutorials and community support, to assist you along the way. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker solution, you can join existing Discord servers that already have the Fortnite item shop bots installed. Simply search for Fortnite Shop Discord on the Discord website, and you'll find a variety of servers to choose from. Once you've identified a suitable server, click the Join button to become a member. From there, you'll have instant access to the item shop within Discord. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily integrate the Fortnite item shop into your Discord server, allowing you and your community to stay updated on the latest in-game items effortlessly. I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your Discord experience with Fortnite content.